Okay, so I've got it done. You can see the Spam sticking out there. Fried egg in there, and then cheese. It's already melted in there. So if you've never tried it, it's pretty good. So I put the English muffins on the grill to get that just a little bit of a crispness. I butter them, just a little crispness on that iron skillet, or any skillet. You can do it on a non-stick, it don't matter. That just adds an element to that little sandwich. The Spam is crisp on both sides. The English muffins are crisp, and egg's not too crisp. But you know, hey, it's a great sandwich, and yeah, so it's cheap. I don't even know how much it costs, but it's pretty cheap. So anyway, good way to make you a breakfast sandwich. Don't forget the Spam.